Hey everybody, I'm Shane. Welcome to another episode of Peaden Connect. Today we are back at headquarters here in Pensacola and we're going to talk to a comfort consultant. And if that doesn't make perfect sense to you, she's pulling up right now, so let's clarify. Hey there, can I help you with that?
Absolutely.
Sarah, right?
Sarah, yes.
Shane.
Shane, nice to meet you.
Good to meet you. Got a second?
Absolutely.
I'm hoping to get a little insight. I've heard this comfort consultant thing before. That's what you're doing here at Peaden?
Absolutely.
And what is a comfort consultant?
So basically what I do is I would come to your home and I'm gonna curate estimates based off of what we talk about today for you and your family and how you live.
Okay, how long have you been doing that?
I've been doing this for about 3 years. I've been in the consultant world for about 12.
So you've been doing this for a long time. Give me a little bit of your history.
Well, the last job I worked in, it really took up a lot of my time. I worked every weekend, every holiday. So coming on to Peaden gave me more of that work-life balance to where I can have that weekend or holiday off to enjoy with my family.
Balance is key. So you've seen a lot in 3 years.
Oh,
here at
absolutely.
Peaden.
I get into attics, I crawl under homes.
That doesn't sound comfortable.
not always comfortable, but my goal is to give the customer the best 5-star experience. So their comfort needs of the home with the air conditioning, with your ductwork, all that is taken care of. A lot of times we think air conditioning is just cut and dry, and there's just so much more that's involved in it. So I try to take the time to, explain the benefits of the systems and how they will help in the lifestyle of your home.
Okay. I think we spoke to someone else that was into the comfort side of things. Was that Chelsea?
Yes, our customer consultants, they're amazing. It's just like having a sidekick, somebody that if I'm working with one of my customers and they can't get a hold of me directly, so I can kind of help assist them with their needs, and she helps me with all the office stuff. She is definitely my rock there.
Yeah. What about the customers?
I had a customer who was, she was recently going through a divorce. She had 3 kids, mother just moved in to kind of help out. So she was having a little rough time. And when I was able to come in, I kind of just was very patient with her and spent the time to go over the different systems and how they operate, and we were actually able to come up with something that would work for her needs, and we ended up having some really awesome financing options that helped make her budget a little bit affordable. And it was like I walked in, she was almost in tears not knowing what to do, and when I left she had the biggest smile on her face.
Awesome.
So that always touches my heart anytime I can help somebody and help them feel confident about such a huge decision in their life.
Yeah. So what's the future of comfort with Peaden?
Well, I guess our newest markets that we have, Baldwin County, Mobile County, and just recently with Tallahassee, all the branches work very well together. So if one person needs help, we have somebody that called out in one area, we can go to help out in those areas. So I do love the teamwork that I get from Peaden and how everybody just kind of comes in to work together to make sure all the needs are taken care of.
For sure. Maybe you haven't seen in just 3 years, but has there been an evolution? I mean, has things changed a lot since you've been here?
It seems like every day I'm coming in, there's always something new, always something more advanced that's not only helping my position, but helping with just giving that better experience to the customers. Everything is now pretty much electronic, where you can sign on the iPads, being able to take credit cards, that kind of stuff, that I can handle everything on the job or in the customer's home.
So what's the future for you? What do you look forward to?
I look forward to just getting out in the field, not being behind a desk. I'm not your behind the desk type of person, so I like to be up moving around, talking with customers, getting into attics, doing just a lot of different things. This job has really taught me a lot, not only with how things work with the trades, but in my personal life. I've just understand certain things and how they operate better, and that helps me understand and explain that to the customer in the long run. I guess I'd say my best feeling after going through the whole process and putting a system in is seeing everything get put out of what we talked about and just how it's accomplished.
Yeah. Well, you're obviously doing some great work, so I'll let you get back to it. And you guys make sure you like and subscribe so you get notifications, because next time we're talking to your boss, one of the owners of Peaden. We're going to talk expansions into new markets, things like that. So you're not going to want to miss it. I'm Shane. See you next time on Peaden Connect.